Oh, I need to shave. My face is getting itchy. Been on a bus that's flipped 17 times. I'm late. Ugh. Hello, everyone. Tom, aka Nostradamus, is the bombus. I need a, I need a few songs. Farnswoggle, Nostradamus is the bombus. Oh shit. Hopefully I remember to start. If I didn't remember to start, it says we're live. If I didn't remember to start Rumble. All right, we're good. Hello to all my Rumble people. Rumble in the Jumble. We got a few more followers over there. Hi, chat. Pop out chat. We're going to pop out the chat. A ding, ding, ding. A ding, ding. We're late to the bell.
Ding, 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 ding.
I got a lot of
FOMO.
FOMO arigato, Mr. Roboto. FOMO. Today is Cardano Payday. Today is actually Payday. Today is the last day of my vacay, which makes me sad. It went by so fast. So freaking fast. I didn't get shit done. I got a little laundry done, but I get that done during non-vacation. Hopefully I'm going to get to my taxes today. Might shave. I cleaned the little house yesterday. Haven't gotten enough sleep. Been playing too much Rust. Waste of vacation almost. So sad. No right Friday. Don't make any changes. That'll F up your weekend. I don't work today, so I'm not going to make any changes. It's a fantastic Friday. And we're going to take a look at the markets. The market's doing really well. I'm going to say it's going to be a quick one. I always feel like it's going to be a quick one because I show up, no one's here. People trickle in. Are you telling me you don't want to hear about the market? Is that what's up? You just want me to get right into the goofiness? Chad Knight in the house. How you doing, brother? Telling me you just want to go straight to going off the rails? Is that... oh, of course you made a crazy play. That's all you do is win. I've never heard you make a loss. Oh, we got 3 people in the house. We got 3 people in the 3 people in the Cardano Payday. Pop out chat. I'm gonna go like this. You don't see what I'm doing. And we're gonna go like this. We're gonna go like so. Actually, we're gonna go like this. So tasty in the morning. Throw the coffee down your throat hole. It's hot. Oh no! Call your boss. 4-legged goat. I messed those up pretty bad. Wipe that pus up out your eyes. So tasty. Rolling it into an AI play now. Easy upload IO. That sounds dumb as shit. All right. NASDAQ up 41. NASDAQ was up like a couple hundred yesterday, wasn't it? E-mini S&P up 17, 16. Biddy's pumping. Looks like Biddy's around 28.5. We'll get over to that in a sec. Crude oil up 95 cents. Gold over $2,000. Oh, hey, watch out. Natty gas. No, wait. Natty gas. Natty gas up 9 cents. 220 a therm. Volatility down 8 cents. Bonds up 22 ticks. Bonds are looking like a pause or 25 BPS. And that's it with that. Need to go. Have a good one. All right. Wait. I looked at Cogito. It's another stable coin, best I could tell. I don't get why you're so bullish on it. Wish you could stick around and tell us, but tell me in the Discord. Oh, that's the new MA. All right, it's just a stable coin. What's so great about that, bro? Am I missing something? Um, Coinbase, the gift that keeps on giving. See what's going on with Coinbase. Check out the Chizane, $412. The gift that keeps on giving. Hut, Mara, I own these miners. They've been painful. Riot, I should have sold that at 80. Mara, I should have sold that at 50. They go into a bear market and they dilute the shit out of the shares. Investing in Bitcoin miners, I thought was a pretty cool investment. I thought it might be a great long-term investment. Tell you what, man, these things get any kind of oomph in the next bull run, I'm out. I am out. I am done with Bitcoin miners. Palantir, it's a stock I like, man. Owner historically, I think that's down quite a bit. Riot, another miner. Tesla, $200. The Iron Condors made $46, making the ladies holler. I'm gonna let that play out over the weekend. We got 21 days to go. Monday or Tuesday, I'll close it probably. Do I have any money? I don't think I do. Nope, like 361 bucks. I mean, I can put on a trade. Let's take a look at. Take a look at the watch list. We'll look at which one do I look at? IVR, Apron, Workhorse, a bunch of shitty. Ride, Helion. Look at all these garbage stocks. They built a lot of all these stocks right here built a lot of YouTube shit channels. JPM, it's got high IV because of all the banking. Maybe I do something there. Maybe I'll do a little something. They got earnings in April. See what the May expected move is. We'll just slap on a. I'm bullish. I don't want to strangle. Let's see. Put vertical. No. I want to put. Well, I'll just do it manually. Put spread. Let's see. $5 wide. $1.29. I'd like to get a little bit more juice. That's only 53% chance of being 50% profitable. Because I'm doing it wrong. I need to go like that. I need to go like that. I need to go like that. There we go. That makes more sense. 80%, 82% chance. $1.29. We're going to go right up. Right up. $1.97. This is a 73% chance of being 50% profitable. Max loss, $3, $303. Max profit, $195. If I can get that filled, take a fill, Phil. I don't know if that. Oh, that filled. Take a fill, Phil. All right. High probability trade. Not bad. I see I lost a viewer. Was that Chad Knight? Probably just Chad Knight. 2 people in the house, 0 likes on YouTube. Let's see. No one. I'm sad. No one in Rumble in the Jumble. Oh, four people watching. Speak up over there. So I'm gonna do a little Rumble in the Jumble YouTube contest. So we got, I don't know, like 3-4 new followers since yesterday. That video got 515 views yesterday. Are those bots? I just don't get it. And then YouTube, let's see. I lost 1 to 2 prescribers, and then I knew no copyright recently. 19 views. The greatest content. I show you like the almost guaranteed ways. Advanced. It's because it's too advanced. Too advanced in crypto. Too advanced in stock and options. And I'm a little sophomoric, so I don't know. Our option people are a little hoity-toity. They drink their coffee with their pinky out, or their tea and biscuits. All right, let's move on over to crypto. Crypto's a moving, a body moving, a body shaking. Bitcoin was a moving. Everything was a moving. Bitcoin dominance still around 47. Bitcoin 28.4, 28.5. Today is a big day. Hopefully we won't need our AK. Today is the monthly close. So things can get jiggy. And it's a Friday. I wonder if it's like a big Bitcoin options. I don't know the best place to check this. 1 day ago. Yeah, shit's gonna move. I think shit's gonna get jiggy today. I don't know who that nerd is, but we don't care. I hate websites that immediately start playing their videos. Anyway, market makers selling the options may need to buy more Bitcoin to cover their positions. Uh-oh, short squeeze, baby. Are we going to have a short squeeze today? At press time, the quarterly expiry on the dominant crypto exchange Deribit compromised 81,000 call options worth 2.24 billion and 60,000 worth 1.73. Eight UTC on Friday. What time is that? 8 UTC and PST. 1 a.m. So it already expired? I think it already expired. So I guess shit ain't gonna move. Let's get this open. See what this is. Cogito AMA. They already played it. This looks like I mean, what? I guess. I gotta download it from Easy Upload. That makes me a little nervous. Someone just broad stroke it. Again, they're just a fucking. I just dropped my first F-bomb. Put $1 in the swear jar. I don't get Cogito. I listen to their thing with J Crypto or whatever his name is, and that subcritical. Yeah, we're an AI stable, algorithmic stable coin. I don't know. I'm hyped about a lot of things over on Singularity.net. Cogito isn't one of them right now. Anyway, speaking of Cogito, let's see how shit's doing over on AJAX continuing to go down. I'm getting paid in. So I got paid today. I'm getting paid today in Cardano. I'm going to get paid today in Indigo. I don't know. I'm going to have a decent chunk. So I already got 130, about 140, 145 times 4.5. Like 500 Cardano, a couple $100 that I'm going to spend. Oh, plus what I'm going to get today. I'll probably spread that around a little, maybe. Let's see what NTX is doing. NTX is hanging around 15 cents. Do I go? Oh, plus all that extra Cardano I have from when I sold my NTX at like 0.22 because I knew that was going to dump. So I want to start loading the boat backing up the truck on AGIX, NTX, and other stuff within the Singularity ecosystem. I'm going to take my Cardano oil wells. They pump out indigo every 5 days. And I'm going to spread that around Singularity. I'm just going to collect the oil. Chuk. It's going to get put in my little container. I'm going to sell the oil for cash. And then I'm going to buy Singularity and Singularity ecosystem for a while. Because I'm very, very, very bullish on AI. We have been deep diving AGIX. And I keep getting impressed, very impressed. The only thing we've run into so far on Singularity that doesn't impress me is Cogito. Cogito. I don't know how they say it. Even the Sophieverse, their little robot looks creepy AF, but it looks pretty badass, you know? Maybe if they make it look more like a robot. All right. Ethereum 1831. Should have kept my Ethereum long on. It's up at the trend line. It's butting up against the golden pocket. It's holding right at the golden pocket. Trend line, golden pocket. We can close above that today. It's going to be on like Donkey Kong. If Bitcoin holds above this red line, holds above even the monthly. We need to look at the monthly on both. The monthly close, very bullish. If we hold above like this 28,165, get your bullhorns out. And the close is in, I don't know, 8-9 hours, some shit like that. 4 or 5 PST, I think 5 PST. Who knows with daylight savings? I believe it's 5 o'clock PST. Excuse me, don't sue me if I'm wrong. Ethereum, the 200, way down there on the monthly. Yep, so we need Ethereum to be above 1834 to be extremely bullish. I mean, at the end of the day, if Bitcoin closes above what it closes, it's bullish in general. Is there quant trading, right? It's just really weird that Bitcoin and Ethereum are, you know, kind of at this golden pocket. Yo, Ricky in the house. How you doing, brother? All right, ARB. Oh, snap, son. ARB's paying off. Well, I mean, all I did was collect it for free 90 free. Can't complain on that shit. You missed out on the ARB. The ARB token made people millionaires overnight. As I roll my eyes, I got at least those tweets are dying. You don't want to miss everyone's social farming. You don't want to miss this airdrop and that airdrop. No one became a millionaire overnight in Arbitrum unless you were already a millionaire, bitch. All right, Cardano, 39.9. So close to 40 cents, I can taste it. Atom, man, Atom's been a disappointment lately. Poor Farnswoggle's probably losing sleep right now. There's a couple hardcore Atom bros. Figus, no, I don't know. There's a couple other guys. I'd know if I saw their name, I'd be like, yep. Radiant doing really good, 37. Ergo, $1.50. Osmosis, meh. Cosmos ecosystem not doing so well. Polkadot, one of the most disappointing blue chips of the last bull run. Is it going to have its time in the sun this bull run? I don't know, man. I really don't. Their ecosystem is kind of, you know, it's been a pretty big dud. Matic, just another Matic Friday, but CryptoVisor. Matic doing okay, I guess. LCX, Retro's probably still balled up in a corner, weeping. Binance, who cares? Solana, V5, Bobana, Shitlana, two set $20 and almost $21. People that think that's going to all-time highs are out of their freaking mind. AVAX, Shitchain, Quant, been hanging around 125 for a while. Boring. What oh my god? Oh, did I get to so today's payday for work. And I've been saving. I've been watching my expenses. I got a little extra cheddar. Today it automatically buys $250 in Bitcoin, $250 in Ethereum. Here's my Sean Evans. Now I'm kind of itching to buy something. A little something out of the Bitcoin and Ethereum. Or maybe I just buy like $500 in Bitcoin. Keep it nice and boring. Stack them sats. I don't know. Do I buy something like Render? Do I buy something like Ocean? I feel like I need to do a little bit more due diligence. Like I want to be very choosy about what I pick right now. If I'm going to throw $500 at something, I need it to like cup the nuts, I need it to like tickle. I need it to like give me that, what is it in my pickle? I need it to give me a tickle in my pickle and jingle in my bingle. My jingle in my bingle. I hate the bingles. Bingles. Ocean's on my radar, but I need to do a little bit more due diligence. ICP, you know me, make CryptoVisor. Sandbox, Ape, Link, Aptos. Aptos is kind of on my radar, but it's a ghost chain. Oh, when's Sui? Sui, pig, coming out. Arweave 843, up a decent amount. We love Arweave. Phantom, Matt, Fardora, Matt, Clayton, Matt, Harmony One. That's what I buy. $500 a Harmony One. Not. All right, that's it. I can easily stop right now. I could easily stop easily. Oh, I got Radiant. I got some Radiant. Vested. $377 in Radiant. Wonder what I can do with that. I want to hold on to Radiant because I think Radiant's going to the moon. This screen is making my eyes bleed. We should be able to sue people for that do websites in all white like this with no dark mode. I should be able to Rust, man. I should be able to sue Rust. They have no ability to turn down the sound of, like, say I'm using a jackhammer. I can't turn that sound down because you got to keep your sound on. Sound's important. You'll hear people, like, if they footstep creeping up on you or something, and you'll know, and you got to like turn on them and shoot them, hopefully. But the jackhammer, man, like, you know how you have to wear hearing protection in real life? It gives you, like, I bet it causes ear damage. I think there's a class action lawsuit there. So there's this thing called echo rating in Rust where you can, like, pick through floors and shit. Well, we picked through this armored floor with jackhammers. Like, we spent like 20 minutes doing it. And it's just like chink, 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 really loud. Yeah, I had a headache for 3 days. All right. Why is Ricky's message didn't show up here? Only two people. Only one person in the house. Yeah, I'm wrapping this shit up. You guys don't want to hang out. I don't want to hang out. I got shit to do. You guys got shit to do. I got shit to do. All right. Did I withdraw this? What the? How did I just do? I don't know if there's. Maybe there's something to do with it in version 2. Look at them ARB tokens. What is that? I don't know if that's, oh, that's over on Ethereum. Okay. If you're not using the Rabby wallet, you are making a mistake. Rabby works 99% of the places MetaMask works. It doesn't track you. It gives you warnings and errors of the smart contracts. All right, let's go to version 2. Where they have dark mode. You are now connected. Please. Yeah. Would you stop showing that message? 824, 825. Ethereum. This, I don't know how much this is paying. I'm getting $11 a day. Like, I don't know that locking up Radiant is worth it. Your current lock APR is 16%. It's locked for 30 days. What? This was their little balancer thing. Oh, yeah, I'm turning that off. I don't want that to automatically relock after. That's kind of a rug pull right there. I don't want that to automatically relock for 90 days after I just wanted it for 30 days. Three, 6, like, can't. How do I see when it shit? Ready to vest, 135. Currently vesting. I'll let that go for a little while. Compound to earn. I mean, I'll keep compounding that shit. How much is that going to cost me to do that? $1.62? Nope, I'll wait. I'll wait. Let's see. Unlockable. I did it for... What? 280 Radiant. Oh, that's the DLP. Okay, so when you claim, it locks it for 90 days. Oh, the DLP? I locked it for 90 days, I guess. I thought I only did a month. So I locked it for 90 days and it's only paying 16%. And that's pretty weak. On version 1, it was paying like 50, 60%. What seems to be paying is, what am I missing? This seems to be paying really well. And it's quite the opposite. And this doesn't lock it. So, excuse him, wah. Excuse him, wah. Man. So I'd be tempted to take this USDC because I borrowed USDC. It's paying 22% APR in Radiant, which is covering the loss I'm taking in this right here. But I can leverage long Ethereum, which I may do sometime in the future. Leverage long Ethereum. I'd be more willing. I don't know, man. Like I have this feeling I do kind of want to leverage long, take my USDC, buy Ethereum, let Ethereum go back up, sell some Ethereum, pay off the USDC loan. But the markets, you're not smarter than the markets. The markets always seem to find a way to outsmart you, and that's a good way to get liquidated. We did that shit over on Purple Trank on Harmony 1, and I got bit pretty hard. You're like, well, Tom, just time the bull market. Easier said than done if the bull market's starting now, which hella early, right? If the bull market's starting now, it is hella early. So I don't really think the bull market. The F was that? Oh, that was Find My iPhone, I guess. I somehow managed to click that Find My iPhone, rubbing my watch up next to my penis. All right. Enough of the Radiant. Let's see. Tap tools. We already kind of looked at this. Ajax. Ajax is looking like it needs to be bought up. Let's take a look. Is it near support? Is that a Head and Shoulders? I don't want. I don't get up. What the? I don't want a line. What is this doing? It's really I don't know why this line's here. It's really stupid that it defaults to 4 hours. And now this line, just delete. Remove. What the? Okay, we'll just go like, I can't do anything. This fucking. That was annoying. And I still have the line. All right. I can't. All right, it looks like a lot of support right here. And this is where OpenAI became a thing, I have to assume. So we're going to watch this for a bit. Look at all these little dots I have too. Trying to build a new galaxy. Oh yeah, this is the reverse cowgirl. Man, this thing's so fucked up. There we go. Can I get rid of all these dots that are... The reverse cowgirl? We got to figure out if that's bullish or bearish. I don't know. So we got... the reverse cowgirl, right? And then... I don't know if that just gained me prescribers or lost me prescribers. Probably mostly lost. All right, World Mobile Token, MinSwap. I got some shit going on MinSwap. Maybe we do a little cleaning. App.minswap. Haven't checked this in a minute. We gotta go there. We gotta go there. We gotta do this. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do that. We a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Farm. Filter. What do they got? Adamin. Popular. Let's see. Are they doing it by liquidity? No. God damn it, MinSwap. Why can't you filter by liquidity? Why can't you see your dollar amount? God damn it. Are you doing anything new over here? You just like, this team just phoning it home right now? Is there anything going on in the Cardano ecosystem? There's some lazy son of a bitches over here, man. Radiant be working. They be grinding every day. Ada be grinding. I think their TV. Oh no, Liquid's TVL went up. A bunch of who cares. Oh, NewNet's got some updates. Anita BTC has been approved as collateral on ADA. Okay. Teddy Swap, no one gives a shit. Axo, anything? Probably not. Building, okay. Boring. Indigo. USD Part 2. Third Eye, attention. It's time to cast your indie vote. Okay, that doesn't look like a very interesting note. Celestia. NewNet. This team be grinding. HR news. They must be hiring an API manager. Is it tough to be like? Is that considered management, or is that a tech job? Like, is managing APIs? You get it? Use like an HR manager, an API. Is managing APIs a lot easier than managing people? Community chat, boring shit, man. NewNet has begun deploying new roles and updated. On our Discord. When's mainnet? All right. Let's look at staked. I must be on the wrong wallet. Why do I have diarrhea of the mouth? All right. Do a little refresh job because I'm on the right wallet. Min wallet. Where's Lace wallet? What's up with that rug pull? What's up with USDA? That was supposed to be out first quarter. All right. ADA min. See, I want to know dollar amount. Pinning ADA, not much. Pinning min, 128. Pinning AGIX, 11. Pinning min, 131. Not earning a lot of ADA. Got a decent amount of min swap. 17 NTX. Yeah. Pending min 62. I'm gonna let these farm for a while. I'm not 36 million Hosky. I'm gonna retire on Hosky. This one's a lame one. It doesn't give me min, but it gives me Mira. I've made 2,000 Mira. What's that worth? Not a lot, but I put like $400 into that, I think. Oh, I put $200 in a Mira and paired it with like $200 of Cardano, because that's what you got to do. 2,000 times 0.02. That math is that's like 400 ADA. $120. 2,000. $2,200 times 0.0218. 47 Cardano. Is that right? 2,200 times 0.02. Yuck. Times 0.4. I made $19. Yeah, I mean, that's probably not worth it for a high risk play. But I put it over there because I thought maybe that's the game. That's the game I threw a little money at. I don't know. I should probably. I don't know if I'm probably down in this. It looks like on top of it all. No, I bought it around here, or maybe I bought it around here. You win some, you lose some. That's why I only put a little bit in. All right, that's enough with MinSwap. Quick market update. See how we're doing. Nasdaq up 60. Monthly. It's just a monthly. Yeah, nothing exciting. Let's see what Biddy's doing. 28.4. Kind of losing its steam right there. That's okay. We close at 28.4 today. It is going to be a good day. All right. 7:15 a.m. I'm kind of ready to wrap this up. Let's see what's going on Twitter. You guys aren't chatting. Casca, heyo, Casca's in the house. Oh, you guys are getting a little chatty all of a sudden. Ricky with a little leaky link. Casca's showing up. Oh. BigBlackCock.com. ChatGB. Yeah, this is getting a little out of control. Apparently that news is true with these people wanting to pause AI. They just want to pause AI so they can work on their own shit. How is this not sufficiently regulated? How is there privacy concerns over this? But they're not concerned about all the data they collect from you just by browsing the internet. There's companies out there that know everything about you just because of how you browse. They know when you go to the bathroom. They know if you have cancer. I mean, LinkedIn is truly toxic positivity. How can a social media be the opposite of Twitter but still kind of toxic? I can't go on that app I can't go on that app without the urge to talk crap. I've never gone on LinkedIn in my life and thought I want to sit here and be toxic and talk crap. So maybe, like if you wake up in the morning, you see an asshole. In the afternoon, you see an asshole. Maybe you're the asshole. Maybe you're the toxic bro, right? Like what's going on LinkedIn? You're getting all like Twitter. There's a lot of toxicity on Twitter. Twitter's becoming like 4chan and Reddit RWTF. They know all our kinks. Yep. All my kinks, man. If you knew all my kinks, I don't got that many. You don't got that many kinks? I'm sick of YouTube having things I talked about it as related. Why? You should want YouTube to provide you the content that you should want to see. There was a pretty funny episode of It's Always Sunny about the algorithm, I think. REST IP and Siri. Uh-oh. You can now replace Siri with ChatGPT. Yes, please. Let's do this shit right now. This is probably fake. Replace, install iCloud. This is probably, you must have an open, now at the very end, you must have an Open AI Pro account. Well, F me. I'm kind of do want to get that. I'm going to go ahead and retweet this. This is something I could see myself doing. I'm probably going to get the Open AI Pro account. They're a little expensive though. Like that shit should be $9.99 or $4.99. Really, $19.99. I mean, I guess it's a supply and demand issue, and they probably do $19.99 because they want to they don't have enough horsepower. So it's a cash raise and they don't want as many people on it right now. So I could see that probably going down over time, especially with competition. Bard. I don't know if Bard's going to be able to compete. I mean, Google has a history of having some pretty smart people. So I can tell you now that I don't know how much Microsoft is going to put their hands into OpenAI, but Bing, the Bing search browser, does anyone actually use Bing? It is the worst search browser. Every time I'll have Edge up because I use Edge for all my work stuff. I log into my work account and it syncs up very nicely. So every now and then I might be too lazy to switch over to, I'm so lazy to just move to a different window. Like if you saw how many windows and tabs and browsers and shit I have open on. Anyway, I'll search with Bing and the results are terrible. Freaking terrible. I'll search with Google and light years better. I never understood how, if you use Bing, you're just making your life hard on yourself. If you don't like it, just ignore it. If you don't like what, just ignore it. What is he replying to it? Algorithm. What is? I don't. Google search is gone. Okay, what do you use, Casca? Casca, negative Friday. You always come in negative on Fridays. Oh, you use Google? Well, go use Bing. What the hell am I looking at here? An alternative universe? Oh, a dude gets pregnant, I guess, and the baby's in his penis. That's really weird. And then the baby shoots out his penis. Oh my goodness. Oh, oh, Jesus Christ. My apologies, our Lord and Savior. Are developing a new currency. Who cares? Look at all these idiots. Go have a lemon party. What are your thoughts on the current trajectory of AI? It is both fascinatingly exciting and terrifying. There's a new Lex Friedman podcast. He was talking to someone that looks kind of interesting. Out of context humans. All right, what's going on here? What is... That was me as a kid. Is he doing the little... What's he doing? What move is that? The kid doesn't even cry or anything. That's a tough kid. I feel like I could just sit... He looks a little like Chucky Evil over there. The kid's got hell of an aim, a hell of a throw. What is that move he's doing? Is he working on his pitch? That's a weird pitch motion. See, this all Twitter is now, a bunch of dumb memes. That's the people, like, this is, what was that shit? It still exists. You would go and you would scroll and it would just be memes. I forget what it was called. I say don't show me this shit anymore and it keeps showing it, so I don't know. No, not Vine. It was more of like words and pictures. It had like a gray background. It's still out there. I think it's gotten a little resurgence. Excuse me. The Cardano engine, blah, blah. Walk into a bar. Tumblr. Yep. What's Tumblr up to? Pornhub. Jason in the house. How you doing, brother? I might have watched a little Pornhub yesterday. Tumblr! I need to create a Tumblr. Does that exist? Trending? Nope. I used to come here a lot. Maybe later. I don't. Oh, fuck off. Live trading, SPY, QQQ, and Tesla. These dudes don't know how to trade. I bet this Wolf guy thinks he's the shit. Does he know how to put on a covered strangle and just get paid day in and day out? My little Coinbase oil well, chick 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 chick. My little Tesla iron condor, chick 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 chick. The gifts that keep on giving. The covered strangle up another $9 today. That's a Chipotle burrito. Trade small, trade often. The tasty trade mantra. I need to start doing more of that, but I don't have enough free cash right now, and I don't want to sell Tesla. I don't want to sell Coinbase. So that's why I'm trading. I'm getting into some of these covered strangles and iron condors, and I did a J. So if I can get these to pay off, I'll be able to start doing more and more positions over time, right? I've been lazy. I've been lazy with the ERA. I just been, too much time on. It's the 5-10 minutes. Come in, check your positions, make some adjustments, earn some winners, and roll them into new trades. What are my deltas at? Where is that? I'm 357 beta weighted. I have 357 beta weighted deltas. What does that mean? It means I'm long. I'm long 357 deltas beta weighted against the SPY. So every point the SPY goes up, I should go up 357 basis points on that. Like SPY goes up $1, I should go up $3, something like that. Something along those lines, right? You always want to know what your deltas are at. If you get too delta long, this portfolio, 300, it's like $60,000-$70,000 portfolio right now. 357 deltas. That's basically flat. Now, if this was a $1,000 account and I had 357 deltas, that's a different story. All right. Banu Teha P finally launching. Now you can train your. Okay, that's kind of cool. Marine biologist headed to work. What? Oh my goodness! Why is this shit on my? Okay, let's see. Not interested. 7 fingers, 7 victims. Is this the? This is the he, the they, the it. So is this a bunch of its and theys mourning the killer? Capitol protesters appear to include trans shooter. Okay. Now this is America. Yikes. When your girlfriend drives your Tesla, she can do whatever she wants. Like, you're lucky, bro. This dude's lucky. Well, this is obviously all made up. This is bad. Oh, he's putting on all kinds of seatbelts. Oh, look at her, man. Yeah. First of all, that's not even a Tesla, bro. That's like a minivan. This is not a Tesla. Yeah, look at her. Look at those eyes, man. I wonder how hard it was for him to set all that up. I wonder what kind of contraption he got to put all those belt buckles everywhere. Now I'm like trying to figure out what neighborhood, what city they're in. I can't, is she Asian and he's Mexican? Or is she Mexican? And I shouldn't say Mexican. Like, god damn, she's fine. She had a little smile and smirk right there. All right, I enjoyed that one. I'm gonna give that one a heart. Jacob Chansley freed from prison. Is that the shaman? Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I'm a little bricked up too, Ricky. So they released the shaman? Oh, I hope you enjoyed that drink. Jason, did they release the shaman? Oh, they indicted Trump. They indicted Trump yesterday. I guess they were doing it. Oh, he's going to a halfway house. The shaman's out, bro. We can all breathe easy. I think they indicted Trump. It's not showing up. They were doing a Twitter space about it. I was listening to it while I slept. I turned it on. I'm going to probably have to re-listen to it today. There's this one asshole that's on there. He's so annoying. Have you been listening to those at all, Jason? Recently I've said that I don't think Trump should get arrested just because it sets a weird precedent. But I will say, I think he skirts the law and he's been skirting the law and he thinks he's above the law, probably more than any president in the history, because he was doing pro moves long before he became president. And one of the things that annoys me, he's like a constant, he just got these team of lawyers just looking for any angle to, shortcuts get you nowhere in life. That's all this guy lives by, is shortcuts, finding loopholes and shortcuts, and chaotic swarming you with lawyers and shit. It's just a greasy way, man. I mean, it's a way, like it's in Rust, right? You could be that asshole that hangs out in Outpost waiting for someone to spend 2 hours doing tunnels, getting a bunch of stuff. And as they're coming up the elevator, you throw a couple grenades and then you go down and take all his loot. That's kind of the greasy move Trump does. I know it's not too smart for me to talk shit on Trump because that cost me a lot of prescribers. Hey, look, I talk shit on Biden too. Oh, that's real smart, Tom. Piss off 100% of your prescribers. He's going to get a bunch of free marketing again. Yeah. Where's all these people that were clamoring and talking about this is going to cause Trump to win in a landslide? I haven't heard that talk lately. That's about the dumbest thing I've heard, I think possibly in my entire life. Trump getting indicted is going to enable him to win in a landslide. I'm not voting for Trump just because he got indicted. I mean, you know what'll get me to vote for Trump? And I don't like Trump. Well, if he promised to make Bitcoin legal tender, I would vote for him. I wouldn't expect him to pull it off, right? He didn't fulfill hardly any of his campaign promises last time. He started building a wall. That shit's already fallen down. What else did he promise? I think he promised to get rid of Obamacare. He tried really hard, and he did a pretty decent job of fucking with abortion, which 80% of the population's against, but the 20% had a nice little victory in that shit. What else did he promise? The liberal media is obsessed. It's an unnatural obsession. I was obsessed with him in the beginning too. Like I wanted him out so bad. But I've never liked Trump. I don't like his way of, I don't like, go do what you do, right? I don't want that kind of president. He did some, he had some balls when it came to certain things that Biden doesn't have when it comes to like some of this war shit, right? He wouldn't get pushed around. He would be like, countries feared him a little bit more because he's a loose cannon. Unlike Biden, right? Ain't no one scared of the United States right now. We got fucking small Iranian militant groups saying, "Let's go." Trump was here, they'd be like, "Fuck that." Biden had balls to pull out of Afghanistan. Was that recent? How's it balls to pull out of a country? Remember when he crossed the DMZ and shook hands with Kim Jong-un? Who? Trump? Trump did that? No, I don't remember that. I remember Dennis Rodman blowing Kim Jong-un, but I don't remember Trump. Yeah, I kind of remember. There's some things Trump did I respect. So if you're going to hate me and unprescribe because I talk shit on Trump, he's done some things I respect. He tried to reform tax code, right? His reforms might end up being worse in the long run, but tax needs reform. You got to start somewhere. Just like Obamacare, healthcare needs reform. You got to start somewhere. The problem is they started somewhere with both and just completely abandoned both, right? I don't know. Every president kept saying they were getting out of Afghanistan, and it wasn't until Biden to do it. Yeah, Trump didn't get us in any wars because people were scared of him. Did you vote for Trump, Jason? Are you a Trumpite? Are you a Trumper? Or what do they call Trump people? Are you a drain the swamper? I mean, I'm not going to lie, my bank account like Trump. If I can get my bank account back the last time we had Trump, I can deal with another 4 years of him. They both are. The United States government's been a shit show since Obama, I think. Things weren't bad during Obama. Like, what was so bad during the Obama times? I mean, we were coming out of the Great Recession. He climbed us out of that. Let's see. Republicans will blame him for that. Or the Republicans blame Clinton, right? You always blame this happened because of the Clinton, and then Bush tried to fix it, but it was just too much, and then Obama came in and oh, that's right. You penciled in Eddie Van Halen. yeah, they're all crooked. Pencil me in next time. Everyone pencil me in. Look, dude, I think I would make a great president. I think I could be the greatest president of all time, and I'm not even joking. I would do a lot of things. I would heal our nation. I would bring us all together. I would fix healthcare. I would fix. I would be like, look, China, you ready to go to war? Look, Russia, fuck these sanctions. We're deploying. Let's go. No, I kid on that part. But one of the ways I would be an excellent president is because I would surround my people with the best people on the planet. It wouldn't be like hooking up my son or hooking up my best friend, right? I would put in real people to get shit done. I would streamline our budget. I would figure out how to slash the budget. We'd go on a shoestring budget. We'd get rid of all the bullshit, right? Stop all this crazy spending. We would start getting our budget down. We would all come together as a nation, say, look, we are the greatest nation in the world. We're about to lose that. It's time to make some changes, right? I would spend money on TV ads to get everyone in the right mindset, right? I would spin up Bitcoin miners. I would make that profitable for the U.S. government and have hash rate. I'd spin up Ethereum validators. I would nationalize FedEx and UPS. No, I probably wouldn't do that, but I would make the UPS profitable, not some sinkhole. This hoot letters, give me a fucking break, right? We would fix UPS. What else would we do? We would fix teaching in schools. We'd fix this defund the police bullshit, right? We don't need to defund the police. We need to fund the police with giving them the proper training, the proper mindset. Go in and start cleaning some house. Get everyone in the right mindset in the police too, right? I don't know. I'd figure something out there. I would figure out what's causing all these train derailments. I think it's the anti-brake system that Trump did away with or something, is what I've heard. I don't know if it's true. But all this toxic chemicals were just spilling all over our country right now. I'd get that shit. I'd nip that shit in the bud right away. Yeah, we do a lot of things. Remember when the Republicans were the party of war? Has it flipped? I don't know what parties want. Democrats want war. Republicans don't now. That's news to me. Yeah, I don't know what's what, to be honest. No one live chat and Rumble today. Boring. 5 people in the house, 0 likes. Man, you guys suck. You guys are all my regulars. Just, do you not want more people to find this video? It literally 2 calories. 2 calories for 1 like. All right. 7:41 a.m. You just clicked it. Thank you, Fifi Fobaggins. I thought it was gonna be a quick one. It's already pushing 8 a.m. What the hell? Oh. She's getting ready to go hit him with the shoe. Well, she's getting ready to take that shoe off and go throw it at his ass. This had to be made up. Sui, here's the ultimate guide for the Sui network. I want to get this. All these people just make up shit. We don't even know. That can potentially be life-changing. My ass just launched its permanent testnet. I'll retweet this. I may get to it today. I may not. Airdrops aren't that exciting. Everyone likes free, right? So most airdrops, it could be your thing. If you enjoy going out and getting airdrops and dealing with the tax headaches and free money and all that shit, if you enjoy, it's kind of like antiquing. If you enjoy antiquing, go do it. I don't necessarily enjoy spending a lot of time figuring out how to get an airdrop that makes me $50, I mean, I'm not gonna lie. The Arbitrum airdrop made me about $2,000 as of right now. I'm not gonna complain, but I didn't go out of my way. I just discovered that Arbitrum was a great protocol. I was highly bullish Arbitrum before there was not even sure if there was gonna be a token. And I was using the shit out of Arbitrum on this project I loved called Gradient. Right? I go out and find great projects, and an airdrop just kindly came my way. Thank you very much. I'm trying to avoid all this FOMO. To spend a bunch of time going out and getting these airdrops I just spent 2 hours of my life to get $20 in SUI tokens. Right? It ain't going to change your life. I had $10,000, roughly $10,000 in Arbitrum. And I did a lot of transacting, and I got $2,000, right? So tell me how people became millionaires. The only way a person became a millionaire They say maybe they had $300,000 in Arbitrum. They got paid, I don't know, 60,000 in Arbitrum airdrop tokens, and they sold it at the top. Like they had some bot and they sold it at $13. That would be 780,000. Even that didn't make him a millionaire. But all these tweets are like, "Oh, I literally saw a bro that said I made millions overnight in Arbitrum." Lies. Mother. Don't believe this shit on Twitter. Okay, shut up. Italy bans chat. That's old news, bro. We already knew that. Old news. Need a BTC. Yeah, it's all the same boring shit. In wokeness. When an actual woman wins in a... Okay. Security guard said, "F your proposal. It's time to be Brian Dawkins." What's... What a dick. Hopefully he got a yes. I mean, I feel like you could get sued for that, bro. Yeah, that's a little excessive. I mean, if he was running, like maybe he's considered dangerous, but he's on one knee going like this. Yeah, read the room, bro. Here we go. Missed Arb. Here's how to max it on the Arbitrum Nova. Okay, well, who cares? This is probably a honeypot to steal your money. The Kobayashi Maru. A new currency. Chinese yuan. Okay. Oh, look at this. That kid's got ingenuity. That's a copyright strike. SQL cheat sheet. Common commands. Select, as, from, where, join. Yep, I've used all those. Create, drop, update, alter table. Yep. I haven't used group by. Let's see, create, up. Yeah, I've used all these, boys and girls, and I'm not really a SQL expert. In fact, I don't enjoy SQL at all. Oh, unions and joins. Let's go. Over the line. What, the little kid was over the line? Places where cats shouldn't be. Yeah, dude. What the hell's going on there? Crypto is pumping again. Look at all these fucking memes, bro. It's just non-stop. Non-fucking stop. Oh, this is kind of cool. I mean, it's cool if you find good ones. Yeah, we're already... Look. All right. Let's see what's going on in crypto. Bitcoin 28.5. Crypto's pumping. Cardano over 40 cents. Looking pretty good. Ethereum 1840. Are you guys bullish? Are you guys getting bullish yet? We'll have to see how the weekend goes. Remind me Monday poll time. We'll see if you're bullish yet. Let's see how the stock market's doing. Nasdaq up 90. Even the stock market's pumping. Coinbase up $3. Tesla up $5. Gold. I think gold's over 2K, wasn't it? Everything's up. Gold. Oh, it just lost 2,000. What's the dollar doing? Well, no one joined the live chat today over on Rumble. That makes me sad. What's the Dixie doing? What's the Dixie doing? Dollar? Mm-hmm. In a downtrend. Dollar go down, stock market go up. Crypto savvy, nothing's changed. I wonder if he's still bearish. Now I gotta know. Nothing's changed. Nothing's changed. I think that sounded almost exactly like him. Nothing's changed. Crypto savvy, what are you up to, bro? Capo's still bearish. I'm gonna have to change the sound, which annoys me. What the is this weird shit? Who's gonna? Oh yeah, that guy's gonna get paid. You think? Probably not. But he should. BitBoy. Trump cards, trading cards explode. Oh my goodness. Why didn't anyone tell me to do that? Oh, please get Brandon Ayuk. Please, Kansas City. I want Brandon Ayuk more than any. T. Higgins, I mean, obviously we're not going to get T. Higgins, but Brandon Ayuk, I would explode. There would be a growing white stain in my pants. I mean, the talk is possibly, what's his face? I'm brain farting. Dreadlocks, really good receiver. Houston, then Arizona. Hopkins, DeAndre Hopkins, D-Hop. Yeah, we're in the D-Hop hunt. We're in the OBJ hunt. I don't want OBJ. OBJ's a cancer. He's an injury waiting to happen. We already have Kadarius Toney that's always injured. So Brandon Ayuk, that guy's a stud, bro. I don't know much about this Michael Pittman. You know, we grafted McCole Hardman instead of DJ Metcalf. Could you imagine we would have picked DK Metcalf instead? I called him DJ. Can you imagine if we had DK Metcalf instead? Holy shit, bros. Who is this sexy mofo? What was it? Crypto Savvy? See, he doesn't spell his name right. Does he? Yeah, Crypto Savvy. Does he know Savvy's to the crypto? Like I don't, is this?
What's up, guys? Welcome to the Crypto Savvy channel.
Nothing's changed. Use my bit, whatever link below. Same goddamn video every time.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the Crypto Savvy channel. I'm Craig, and what an exciting time to be in the markets. Let's take a look at what's going on. We're going to take a look at the Dow, S&P, DXY, Bitcoin, gold, silver, oil. We put that to the breakout, and that's where we got this first target range, which we did hit. We spiked above this a little bit. That could have been a stop hunt, which stopped me out at 28.5, but I didn't lose anything. Now, re-entering here, I could lose some money, but remember, guys, use risk management. And again, none of this is financial advice, but make sure you're managing your risk, right? Cut your losses quick, ride your winners. So, all right, if we do hold above this and get our next bounce up, our next measured move here is looking at this dotted yellow trend line, looking at this as a falling wedge, where it broke out down here, and that's where we get that 31.5 range. So I'd say 31.2 to 31.6, somewhere in that range, right?
Is he bullish now?
Like
probably not.
YouTubers and make my range like $5,000 to make it look good, but what we do is try to get as close to the target as possible. So if we do hold above here, I get stopped out at 39.2. I look for another entry to my
he's still trying to short.
Let's take a look at the 4 hours. So the 4 hour, we got our fake out down
Christmas,
here.
Bro.
Next stop after that, it's going to be around 18.9. Now,
there we go.
And move this down to the second blue trend line around 24.8. If we do break this, guys, I do expect a retest and coming down, but next stop after that, it's going to be around 18.9. Now, remember, when everyone's super bullish, like right now, almost everybody turned to bullish.
Not according to my polls, bitch.
Out for what's coming. And I still believe we see new.
I don't think people are super bullish right now.
This is
oh, here we go with the bubble.
The bubble, right? Had to wash out.
He got this from me, bro, because I've been talking about this long before his ass.
I also showed you this,
and I've also told you
this. Told you could be the bottom. We did break
the one thing you learn. The one main thing you learn from the .com bubble is the winners that survive the bubble will be massive. Apple, Microsoft, Google, Apple got destroyed in the bubble and then got destroyed again in the recession, but it survived the Great Reset or whatever. Now look at it. It's the number one. There will be people, there will be Web3 cryptos that survive this bubble. Actually, this is different. My .com bubble, I don't do it to the Bitcoin bubble. I do it to the current NASDAQ bubble. So I don't really think this is a bubble. This is a similar. Okay, he didn't sell this for me. My apologies, Savvy. This is not a Bitcoin bubble. This happens every 4 years, bro. This bubble happens every 4 years. We're not in a 10-year bear market, bro. Do you not understand how the halving and supply and demand works? Even just the link down below to the psychology of money. Free 90 free. It's going up at midnight tonight. But that psychology alone will trigger another bull run, right? All right.
Really, I don't care. I like to trade the trend. The trend is down still.
No,
so
it's
what
not.
I do is I look for shorts in a downtrend.
It's not down, bitch. Let's see. That looks pretty fucking up to me. I mean, you zoom out. It's breaking. Let's see. I don't know. I mean, it was down. Looks kind of up to me. I don't know what you guys see. I mean, I guess you could go like that. Eventually, until it's a new time high, you can always make a downtrend. I mean, how fair is that? You can't do all-time highs every day. Oh, it's a downtrend. What kind of crack you smoking, Savvy?
As of right, and a capitulation down.
Yeah, he still got a $3,300 price target. What a freaking, kudos. Congratulations, Savvy, to figuring out that you wait long enough and you're going to be right about being bearish in Bitcoin. Because guess what? The 4-year cycle works both ways. So congratulations. And that's why this scam works. This scam works whether you're a bull or whether you're a bear. You pick your side. Kudos to him for being a bear. Eventually you're going to be right. Eventually, you're going to be right. What is my plan B? Hold until you're right. Eventually, I'll be right. Either Bitcoin goes to zero or I'll be right. Anyway, that's my time. You've been great. I hope you all have a great weekend. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. I wouldn't even do some of the things I do. Love you all, and we're 1 year away from the halving. Yeah, we are. The last bull run didn't start till 6 months after the halving. I think we're going to front run this time. Anyway, love you all.